Hello guys, welcome again to the Guru Commons, where we learn to become tech gurus even though we are common. We share experiences with one another. And in that light, today I'll be sharing a very interesting thing to you, a very wonderful thing that would actually you would actually find handy most of the times. And I'll be sharing with you how to create a wireless hotspot with your PC. You will be creating a wireless hotspot on your Windows computers, and you could use this to share your internet with your mobile phones, with other computers in your vicinity, etc. So we'll be diving into it. And now the interesting thing is you don't even need a third-party software to be able to do this. We are going to do this using our Windows PC, using our command prompt, the CMD. Let's get to it. Now first you need to launch the CMD, the command prompt. If you don't know how to do that, if you don't know, or if you want to learn more about command prompts, you can check the other videos and you get to learn more to understand about command prompts. But if you do, let's dive right into it. Okay, now also bear in mind that we need to launch the command prompt as an administrator. Yes, we need administrator mode to be able to run this command. If not, it will not work. Okay, so you click on the start menu, type in CMD, and then hit Ctrl Shift Enter. Okay, this notification pops up asking if you want to allow this program to make changes to your computer. Click yes, and yes, the command prompt is up. Now to know if you are launched as an administrator or if you launch the software as an administrator, you should see the Windows System 32. System 32 lets you know you've launched the software as an administrator. Okay, as a bonus for this tutorial, I'm going to be sharing with you or showing you how to change the color of your command prompt and how to make it full screen. Usually if you maximize this, if you click on this, it just comes this way. It doesn't really come full screen. So if you want to make it full screen, you type mode 500 and hit enter. Yeah, okay, that becomes full screen. I can drag it to the top. Yes, looking more beautiful now. And then we can change the color to have a better feel to work with. So you type in color A. If you want to learn more about all of this, check my other videos. Okay, yes, the color is changed. Now, to create the wireless network, to create the hotspot, the wireless hotspot, we need to create what we call a hosted network. A hosted network is the hotspot of your PC, the hotspot you are going to be sharing with others, you're going to be sharing with your phone. So to do that, you type in the net VLAN set hosted network without space, then space, set the mode to allow, space SSID. SSID is the name of your hotspot, the name you want to display on your hotspot. So now I'll use byte for my hotspot, or I'll use common gurus without space, common gurus, then space, the key. The key is the password for your wireless network. You want to add a password to our wireless network so that when people want to connect, they will be asked to input the password, the key. You should make the key an 8-character length, 8-character long password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is what I'll be using for mine now for the sake of the test. So when you're done with this, hit enter. Okay, now this says the hosted network mode has been set to allow. The SSID of the hosted network has been successfully changed, and the user key paraphrase of the hosted network has been successfully changed. Yes, that means we are good to go. We've successfully created our hosted network with a name, common gurus. Now we need to start the hosted network. We need to turn the hosted network on, and to do that you type net VLAN start hosted network. Okay, you hit enter and then wait for it to execute. Okay, now it says the hosted network couldn't be started. Yes, when in case you get this error, there are a few things that could cause the error, but one of the likely things is if your Wi-Fi adapter is not turned on. As if you can see here, I only have my Ethernet cable, the LAN cable, Ethernet cable connected to my PC. I have not turned my wireless adapter on, so I'll do that now and I'll run the command again. So let's take a look. Okay, I'll just click the up arrows will bring the last command up again and hit enter. Let's see. Good. The hosted network started. Yes, we are good to go. We are all set. So if we come back here and check, we should be able to see common gurus. as part of our hosted network. Let's refresh this. Okay, I'm seeing a different name entirely. I'm seeing byte here. I had created this network before and then it's still appearing here, so I'm going to go ahead and do this again. We then set hosted network mode cross allow SSID is equal to Google Commons and key is equal to, let me use a different key, 8765431, and I hit enter. Okay, the hosted network started. Now net willing starts hosted network. Okay, the hosted network started. Let's check again and see what happened here. Yes, good. Google Commons, yes, it is on. Now you can see it's showing internet access. It's showing internet access. So when you connect your other PCs to this, you should be able to browse conveniently. You should be able to browse freely with your other phones or your other gadgets. Now I need to add to the fact that before you can get your internet access on these common groups we created, you need to go to your network and sharing center, click on change adapter settings. Now this is my internet source, the local area connection. I'm using the Bromka Wi-Fi shared broadcast, whatever gigabit internet. Yes, this is the source of my internet connection on the PC. So I need to share it with my Google Commons, the wireless network connection too. I need to share the internet from here with this. So I'll click on this, right click on properties. Okay, and I click on sharing. I've shared it before actually, that's why you could see the internet access, but I'm just showing you so you know how it is done. So you click on this, make sure this is checked. Allow other network users to connect through this computer's internet connection. Yes, then you come here and select the network you want. You actually would see the different network. We have wireless network connection, that's the Bromka Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi of the place I am, and then the wireless network connection too, which is the Google Commons, the one we created. So we want to share it with that wireless network connection too. So when you do that, you click OK and you should be good to go. Now to stop your hosted network, to stop your hotspot, you just run the following command: net willing stop hosted network. Okay, there's an error there. Hosted network stop, hosted network. Okay, yes, the hosted network stopped. Now let's check here and see if it's still there. Boom, it's gone, it's not there again. So subsequently, when you reboot your PC, you don't need to run this net willing set hosted network and mode allow. You don't need to do this again. Once you do it once, it's okay, it's good to go. So, but all you need to do subsequently when you want to turn it on is to run this command to start it. Then you could run this other one to stop it, to turn it on and off. Alright, now to exit out of this, just type in exit, or you can click on this close button, but you can use the exit command and hit enter, and that should exit you out of the hosted network. Now that is beautiful, that's very easy. Now you can share your internet access with your phones and your friends and your other gadgets, etc. Now in my other video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a desktop icon that you could click to turn on your hosted network and then click again to turn it off. We'll create that in the video below. Make sure you go watch it to learn how to do that, because it makes it really easy for you. You'd avoid having to run the command prompt command each time you want to turn it on and each time you want to turn it off. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye bye.